Imagine having an AI assistant that can design your graphics, write your content, create your videos, build your websites, generate voiceovers, host your files, and even run your marketing, all under one roof, for a one-time low price. Sounds impossible? Well, meet AI Titan, the latest all-in-one AI platform that's taking over the digital world. In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly what AI Titan is, how it works, what features you get, the pros and cons, and whether it's really worth your money. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also show you how you can use this tool to start your own online business or freelance agency in minutes. AI Titan is a brand new digital product that combines more than 25 AI tools into one single dashboard. It's designed for entrepreneurs, freelancers, content creators, and marketers who are tired of paying hundreds every month for separate tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Jasper, Pictory, ClickFunnels, and more. Instead of juggling 10 different apps, AI Titan gives you one platform where you can write blog posts, ads, and emails with AI-powered content writers. Design logos, banners, and social media graphics using built-in AI design tools. Generate and edit videos automatically for YouTube, Instagram, or ads. Create voiceovers in human-sounding male or female voices. Build and host websites and funnels, without coding. Store your projects safely with unlimited hosting and storage. And the best part? It's a one-time payment. No monthly fees, no subscriptions. Once you log in, you'll see how simple the dashboard is. On the left-hand menu, you have everything categorized: Content AI, Graphics AI, Video AI, Voice AI, Website Builder, Storage Vault, and Automation Suite. For example, in Content AI, you can choose a template like blog post, email sequence, or ad copy. Enter a few keywords, click Generate, and within seconds you get professional-level content ready to publish. In Graphics AI, just type a description like minimalist logo for travel blog and watch AI Titan create stunning images. The Video Maker lets you turn text into short videos, perfect for YouTube Shorts or Reels. Need a voiceover? Head over to Voice AI, pick a language, choose a gender, and generate natural-sounding speech instantly. And with Web AI Builder, you can create full websites or landing pages using simple prompts. No WordPress, no coding, nothing technical. Finally, the Storage Vault gives you unlimited space to keep your projects organized. It's basically like having ChatGPT plus Canva plus Pictory plus ClickFunnels plus Google Drive, all in one. Now here's where it gets exciting. AI Titan also includes a commercial license, meaning you can sell the assets you create to clients. Let's say you use AI Titan to make logos, videos, or content. You can list those services on Fiverr, Upwork, or sell them directly through social media. Logo design gigs, $25 to $100 per client. Voiceover videos, $50 to $150 each. Website builds, $200 to $500 per project. You're using one-time software to generate unlimited deliverables, so everything after that is pure profit. You can even use AI Titan to build your own online business, create your website, promote affiliate offers, or automate your marketing funnels. Plus, if you're an affiliate marketer, AI Titan also has a strong affiliate program offering up to 50% commission on every sale. Let's keep it real, no software is perfect. Here's what I found after testing AI Titan. One-time payment, no recurring fees. 25 plus tools in one place, saves time and money. Beginner-friendly interface. Commercial license included. Fast content, design, and video creation. Because it tries to do everything, some features may not be as advanced as specialized tools. The lifetime deal might be a limited-time launch offer, so the price could go up. Internet-based, you need a stable connection for best performance. Still, for under $20, the value it delivers is honestly impressive. Early users have already been sharing their results. From creating social media posts in minutes to building entire client websites without hiring a team. Some freelancers are even using AI Titan to deliver multiple projects a day. Whether you're just starting your online journey or already running an agency, This can seriously cut your workload and increase profits. Now let's talk about the price. AI Titan is currently available for a special launch offer at just $16.97 one time. That's less than what most AI tools charge per month. There are optional upgrades, like done-for-you templates and automation features, but even the front-end product gives you everything you need to start right away. Replace 25 plus expensive tools, run your business from one powerful dashboard, save time, money and stress. Replaces ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude and Write Sonic, create human-like blogs, emails, VSL, ads and sales copy in seconds. Replaces Canva, Figma and Adobe Express, design stunning graphics, logos, ads, e-covers and social posts instantly. Replaces Midjourney, DALL-E and Leonardo AI, generate 4K images, 3D art, background-free photos and more. Replaces Aweber, GetResponse and MailChimp, send unlimited, inbox-friendly emails with just one click. Replaces Wix, Shopify and ClickFunnels, build stunning sites, stores and funnels with 200+ drag-and-drop templates. Replaces InVideo, Runway ML and VO2, create faceless reels, shorts and promo videos with AI scripts and B-rolls. Replaces 11 Labs, Lovo, Muff and Kling AI, clone your voice and generate studio quality, human-like voiceovers in 100+ languages and accents. Replaces Synthesia, HeyGen and Vidnami, generate talking avatars and AI spokesperson videos without camera or studio. Replaces TubeBuddy and vidIQ, rank YouTube videos, boost subscribers and drive organic traffic automatically. Replaces GitHub and Copilot, generate ready-to-use apps, scripts and codes without any coding skills. Replaces Fiverr, Upwork freelancers and expensive teams, get 75+ AI agents for writing, design, SEO, emails, marketing and support 24/7. Replaces paid hosting and storage platforms, enjoy 1 TB free hosting, SSL and cloud storage with 0 fees. Create and publish AI video podcasts. Just type or upload script and let AI generate studio-quality podcast videos. Deploy smart AI agents, automate writing, design, SEO, marketing and support 24/7 like a pro. Create and sell in 100+ niches, health, tech, travel, fashion, pets and more, ready-to-profit markets. Drive traffic and sales on autopilot, rank faster, grow followers and reach thousands without paid ads. 100% newbie-friendly platform, no tech skills, no monthly fees, no team needed, just click and profit. Hurry! Pro, commercial license free. AI Titan replaces 25+ expensive tools, saves you $6,000+ per year instantly. Multiple paid tools and workflows, everything in one smart dashboard, with 100,000 free credits and commercial license. Create and publish AI video podcasts without equipment, just type or upload script, let AI generate studio-quality podcast videos. ChatGPT, Gemini, Jasper, Write Sonic and more create human-like blog posts, emails, VSL scripts, add copy and sales pages with just a prompt. Canva, Adobe Express and Vista create design scroll-stopping graphics, social posts, e-covers, logos, business cards and ads. Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion and stock sites generate pro-level AI images, 3D art, 4K HD renders, GIFs, background-free photos and more. Wix, Shopify, lead pages and Landingy launch stunning websites, e-com stores and landing pages with 200+ templates, drag and drop easy. InVideo, Adobe Premiere and InShot create faceless reels, shorts and promo videos with AI scripts, B-rolls, transitions and music. Replaces Synthesia, HeyGen and Vidnami generate human spokesperson and AI avatar videos, no camera, no studio needed. Replaces 11 Labs, Lovo, Muff and Kling AI clone your voice and generate real human-like voiceovers in 100+ languages. Replaces Fiverr, Upwork freelancers and expensive teams get 75+ AI agents to handle writing, design, video, SEO, emails and more on autopilot. Replaces paid hosting, domain and storage platforms. 1 TB free cloud storage, hosting, SSL, ADA/GDPR, no hidden fees. Save and manage all your projects in one place. Share unlimited assets, files and templates instantly. 100% mobile optimized platform. Zero learning curve, 100% newbie friendly. No expensive domains or hosting required. 128-bit SSL encryption. Fully ADA, GDPR and spam compliant. 24/5 dedicated customer support. Offer high-in-demand AI services to clients. Wrapped gift bonuses worth $5,999, free. So, is AI Titan worth it? If you're paying monthly for tools like ChatGPT Plus, Canva Pro, or Funnel Builders, and you want a simpler, cheaper, all-in-one solution, absolutely yes. It's perfect for content creators, freelancers, affiliate marketers, coaches, and small business owners who want to automate their work and save hundreds every month. I've dropped the official link below, it'll take you directly to the special offer page. Grab your copy before the price increases and lifetime access disappears. Speech balloon comment below if you want me to make a full tutorial video showing every feature inside AI Titan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tool reviews and online income strategies. Thanks for watching.